Welcome to the Cover Style journey. It is us to give something back. As why replace when you can upgrade? Inspired by nature. Interior design. And so much more. It is us to make a change, starting from production. Quality control. Certification. Including a sampling service. Building a professional network with in-house trainings. With an elite, creating a circle of knowledge and experience. And this worldwide. Making the impossible possible. With the help of our marketing, creating a plug-and-play concept, and so much more. Our service from A to Z, making it whole. Creating a brand. And a home. Being more than just a box mover. Be part of the Cover Style journey. Cover Style, the innovation of renovation.